Here, I got you.
It's dead. Can you get new batteries? Well, hello there. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be, oh my gosh, I've been wanting to film this video forever, but it's taken me forever to accumulate the tiny makeup. So today's video is going to be a full face of teeny tiny makeup, aka makeup samples, but some of these are just like really tiny makeup products. I have so much stuff, and the gaggery is I had like a box I was saving full of tiny makeup and it got thrown away somehow, so I had to like start from scratch. That's why I'm so late on filming this video, but hey, I still wanted to film it, so I'm still gonna film it, and I hope you guys do enjoy it. With that being said, this video, I think this video is gonna be really interesting. And I'm also going to use a teeny tiny beauty blender to blend out my makeup. By the way, shout out to Huda Beauty for sending me this neon sign. LauraLee, hit it up. The Instagram handle right there. Go ahead, give it a follow. Don't be scared now. That feels so good. If it wasn't so loud, I would just leave it on the whole time and try to pretend that I'm Beyonce while I'm doing my makeup. All right, with that being said, we're going to sing the subscribe song and then we're going to jump right into this video. Also, if you would like to submit a subscribe song, you can submit it to LauraLeeLosAngeles@gmail.com. I'll put that right there.
Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe.
Now let's jump into the video. For facial primer, I literally have a mini teeny tiny of the Smashbox Primizer Primer Plus Moisturizer. I'm so excited to use this. This is a great primer, especially if you have dry skin, girl. This is for you. So I'm just gonna get a little bit out and rub it in. Like if you buy some of these minis, like that would last me like for months, like a really long time. So they are a bit more affordable than the full size. I'm just rubbing in with my finger. I feel like everything needs to be really small. First I'm gonna show you my little mini beauty blender. She's so cute. Here's her mom. So this is mom and baby right here. And they're so cute. But my assistant Tyler. Ty!
What?
Can you wet this little baby beauty blender? She's going to assist us in blending out our foundation.
Am I the assistant to the YouTube star or assistant YouTube star?
Assistant to the YouTube star. Don't try it, Dwight Schrute. She's almost the size of her mother. Oh my gosh, but the mom is dry, so I wouldn't use the mom like this. So the baby, she's a little bigger. Oh my God, imagine.
I've seen smaller ones than that.
Have you? I mean, I have this one.
Sure.
You could wet too. This one's, I think, by Real Techniques. Why don't you wet this one too? And we'll do concealer with that one. Moving on to foundation, I have literally a baby tiny mini of the Jouer Essential High Coverage Foundation. This is the cutest thing in the world. Don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure if you order the full size, you get a mini with it. At least they were running that. I don't know if they still are. So this one comes on. Oh my God, it's like a little tiny brush. It's so cute. Oh, I love this little applicator. Oh, I forget, you don't need a lot of this foundation. I think I just went ham. Okay, so I'm gonna start blending. Guys, this sponge is just like cracking me up. Oh my God, this is making me laugh. I don't know why this is so funny, but it's just like I'm holding it with my little fingers. This is a really nice full coverage foundation. I do have a code for their website. It is affiliated, but my code is LauraLee for 15% off their entire website. Ooh. I forget how like beauty blenders takes a little bit longer than the actual brush, because you guys know I'm a brush girl. Like I'll be like and done with my makeup. And 30 years later, Laura is still blending out her face. Her face. Using tiny things just takes like a really long time. Also, sponges in general take a little bit longer. Not that there's anything wrong with using a sponge to blend out your makeup. It's just like I use the brush for so long, so I'm just so used to that quick blend time. So I use the shade Birch, by the way. Next up for concealer, I have this mini Lila B tiny little concealer, which I do plan on using. The thing is, like, I kind of feel like this is their full-size product. You just really get like the tiniest amount of concealer in their product, which is interesting in itself, right? This is so small compared to a normal concealer. So I also have the Jouer minis in a bunch of different colors. I was going to take one of the lighter shades like almond or fawn and kind of use it as a concealer because it does have such high coverage too. Here's our second tiny beauty blender, and this one has been wet as well. So I am going to tap into the, oh, she's thick. This concealer is thick, honey bunny. Ooh, nice coverage though. So we're just gonna, with our other tiny beauty blender, luckily I had two on deck to test out. I think this one's by Real Techniques and it's really nice. The beauty blender one was a little bit softer. This one's just a tiny bit more dense, but it is really nice feeling. Wow, this worked out really well, this concealer, so I don't think we end up needing the Jouer one, the Jouer foundation to use this one, but I did have that on backup because I was like, girl, if this don't work out. Yeah, this Lila B one's really nice. I don't know how it wears, but it applied really nice, so hallelujah. Okay, so for powder, you guys are going to scream whenever you see what I have. I can't believe I have this, but it's so perfect for the video. You're gonna die. So last year, I think, Estee Lauder gave me this, and I was like, what is this absolutely stunning compact? It has like a rhinestone mermaid on it. It's so pretty, and you press the mermaid tail in. So cute. Watch this. So it's a little teeny tiny Estee Lauder setting powder, like blotting powder. It is so cute, and it even comes with like the tiniest sponge in the world. Like, how fancy can you get? It says a little quote around the mirror. It says, "We know what we are, but know not how we may be." Alrighty then. Girl, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna go in with it. Look, I'm just rubbing around. Oh, we're learning things. You can take the powder out and put different little things in here. Here we go. We're setting our little mini face with our tiny little powder. Doop, 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 doop. Like, how cute does it get? How cute. Oh my God, I die for this. So I'm going to put her back in her little trinket. So freaking cute. For bronzer, I have specifically, this came out around Christmas time. This is the mini Ofra palette. And if you open it, it has, oh, I almost dropped her, my God. I have the mini blush, mini highlight, and mini bronzer. I'm just going to be using the bronzer today because I have other mini stuff for highlight and blush. I'm going to be taking my little Wet n Wild bronzer brush and just bronzing up the face. Ooh, that bronzer is so pretty. A lot comes off when you tap into it, like a lot. So you really got to go in with such a light hand with this bronzer. We're going to add a little bit to the neck area. Oh, so cute. And this bronzer performed really well. I think this is like the first time I've actually used this palette. For blush, I have this teeny tiny Orgasm by NARS. Like, I mean, it is tiny. So we're just gonna apply a little bit of this with the same brush. Very pretty. Doop, 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 doop. So little. Does anyone else like find tiny mini things? Like, I like mini of anything. So tiny mini things, they're just everything to me. Like, I love, 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 love that. For highlighter, I have like 3 products. The first one is the Shimmer Drops from Smashbox. And I got it in 2 shades. And these are just tiny little drops. And then I got the mini Morphe liquid highlight. This came in a mini collection during holiday. During holiday, girl, you know, you get all your little mini stuff. So I'm like, I love it so much. So I've never used these from Smashbox. I kind of want to give them a shake and just drop them on my hand. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, this is definitely like should have gone on first, but I can tell you what I'll do with it. I'll put it all over my body at the end of the video if you want to hang out for that. Because this feels a little oily and I feel like it would just break apart all my makeup. Makes me really nervous. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on this Morphe one. This one is called Optic. I don't know if this is still for sale. I low-key doubt that it is, but I'm going to put a little bit of Optic on this. Oh my gosh, cat hair. Shocking. But I put a little bit on the tip of this little blender and I'm just going to apply it. It's like really pretty. It's not that blinding. Like, it is kind of loomy. It gives you like a really natural, beautiful glow. I don't know why I'm hyping it up because I think this was only a holiday moment. But it's a mini, so it's so perfect for the video. These blend out pretty good too. Looks like nice in like a natural, nice, glowy situation. I'm gonna put a little on my forehead. I love my forehead to be just like a tiny bit glowy, but not too crazy. Okay. That is done. So we'll do eyebrows and then we'll do eyeshadow. For eyebrows, the only thing I could come up with, which I don't think is that bad, is this little bitty CoverGirl brow pomade. Now, this is the smallest brow pomade I think I've ever seen in my life. Granted, I don't think that this is actually a mini. I think their product is just really tiny. So I'm pretty pumped. I've never used this one. I think it was supposed to come with a brush. Oh, it does come with a brush. Oh, look at this little brush. Oh my God, this is gonna be so hard. What in the tiny eyebrows? This one is 710. That is the shade name. I repeat, 710. This brush is about to be torturous to me because, girl, it's so tiny. I'm not gonna lie, this is slightly difficult. The brow pomade's actually performing really well. This is the first time I think I've used this. Sometimes I forget because I test out so much makeup, guys. Yeah, it's not so bad. It's just like really tedious to work with because this brush, girl, she is tiny, tiny. I think you're supposed to pop it back in the cap and be able to use it like this, but this weird handle doesn't really help me. It's just better for me to hold it like this and use it. For eyeshadow, I actually have 3 mini palettes, not 1. But 3. So I have the Naked Heat palette, but it's the mini. I have I have 4. Oh my gosh, I have 4 palettes. This is the mini Aphrodisiac palette from Urban Decay. Okay. This one's really pretty, super neutral. I've never used it before, but I've always thought it was so pretty sitting in my drawer, so. And then I've used this one before on my channel. This is the teeny tiny mini Natasha Denona palette. So this is the mini Sunset palette. She's cute. And then lastly, I have this mini MAC eyeshadow palette. I don't know if they still make these little guys, but they're kind of cute. I think these are pretty gosh darn pricey. They're the 9x9s. This one's called Tropic Cool Times 9. This one's really pretty and I like the colors in it. So, what shall we do for today's look? I think first I'm going to go in with the M443 brush and take this little yellow matte shade, and I kind of want to just like apply that in the inner crease up here, upper inner crease. So I'm having to pack on a lot of color. A lot of times yellows just like fade out into nothing, which is kind of a bummer. This one is just like it's not crazy pigmented. It's not the worst yellow ever, but it's like not really doing what I thought I needed it to do, what I wanted it to do. So I'm gonna go into the matte green color to see if we can get a little more pigment. Ugh, guys, this is like not what I need. This is like barely showing up. I don't know. It is showing up a little more. I'm just like really going in and like packing this color on pretty intensely. So we have a little bit of a yellow crease right now. What I'm going to do is now go in with, I think I'm actually going to go into this little Natasha Denona palette and tap into this really warm brown, mixing this lighter brown, just mixing the colors together. This is actually a Crown 510 brush. And I'm going to pack this on the outer corner. I'm going to take a clean little blender. This is the R39, and I'm just going to clean that crease up and soften up the edges. I went ahead and finished this eye, so what I'm going to do now is go in with this little mini Natasha Denona palette again, and I'm going to take an M224 brush and just take that light shimmery shade. And I have my handy dandy mini MAC Cosmetics MAC Fix Plus spray, so I'm just going to dampen the brush with a mini spray. Ooh. And I'm just going to apply this right to the center. I think this look is very Area 51, so guess this is what I plan on wearing whenever I go there.
You storming?
I'm storming it, man. Bro.
Later when I see it.
Just need a location, date, and time.
But I already have all of that information.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I'm going.
Apparently they're sending in the Kyles first, so.
The what?
The Kyles.
If your name's Kyle?
If your name's Kyle and you drink like Monster energy drinks and
You get to go
those
first?
types of guys. Yeah.
Why don't I get to go first?
Because those are the guys that are gonna die first.
Oh, we're just like getting rid of Kyle's?
Yeah, because they're gonna die first because they're trying to storm first.
I'm so confused. So I'm going back in with a little bit of the green and just flickering it here and on the outer edge. I think that looks kind of cool. This is an M441 brush. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush and go in with the little highlighter shade right here. And I'm going to pop that in the inner corner because I just want that to be shining bright like a diamond. Get Area 51 diamond. For liner, I had this little mini Sephora liner pencil. So I am just going to run this. Oh my gosh, have I ever used this? I'm just going to run this across the upper lash area. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the water lines with it. Too bad I don't have a mini lash curler because I feel like that would just be perfect for this video, but how would that work? So I have a mini Estee Lauder mascara and a mini Milk mascara. So I'm going to use the Milk Kush mascara. This is a really good one. I burped. I don't really have many eyelashes, so I'm going to use Saucy from Batty Bee Lashes. Imagine if I had mini eyelashes. I'm going to go back in with the matte green, and I'm going to run that all along the lower lash line. And now I'm going to take a little bit of that Estee Lauder mini mascara and just bump my lower lashes with it. For my lips, I have this teeny tiny little mini Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick. This is actually the Velvet liquid lipstick. And I got this on Valentine's Day. Oh, this is from this year, so here we go. This one's called Birthday Suit, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of LA into the center. Okie dokie, and I have 3 setting sprays. You guys already know about my little MAC Mini Fix Plus. I have the B6 from Urban Decay Mini, and then I have the Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist, which is super cute. I think I'm gonna go and use the Tarte one. Oh, okay, here we go. And I use the whole bottle. So now I'm going to be applying the Smashbox drops to the bate. We have 1 drop. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I think it does give it a little hydration, a little bit of a shine happening. All right, we have the little dropper. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm rubbing it in. Oh, it leaves like a nice little sparkle on the skin. Oh, not my shirt. Okay, there we go. Ooh, okay, I love it. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I literally had the best time filming this. I loved all the mini makeup. It's just such a fun aspect to makeup. I also hope you like my Area 51 with the green in the center eye look. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave for more fun videos and turn your notifications on so you can be the first one to watch. Hanny, comment down below if you already have your notifications on. #notification squad. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!